Hi guys! I just got a new deck today, the AlcheMystical Tarot. I had backed this on Kickstarter and I just wanted to open the box with you guys today. So let's check this out. Okay, so here is what the box looks like. It's actually some really pretty wrapping. The creator has an envelope here specifically addressed to me. And it says, it's just a little thank you here. And we're gonna put that aside. And then we're gonna get into the goodies. Let's see what we have in here. It's like the deck. I think that's all that's in there. So, to unwrapping this guy. The deck right there, and this is the first I'm seeing this as well too. Little magnet. Actually, it's a mirror. I am mistaken. That's really cool. That's a cool little goodie. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. And then we're gonna look inside the box. There's the book. Like I said, I haven't even gotten a chance to look through this yet because I just opened this. So you are getting to look at this as I am getting to look at this. So, wow, that's really pretty. It's a nice full color book. Okay, and then here are the cards. Whoops! One is flying away from me. Sorry for all the noise outside. I live in a very noisy neighborhood. I didn't record for a while because they were actually doing construction right outside my window. And surprisingly, they were actually doing construction all night for a while, at like 3-4 o'clock in the morning, and we didn't get sleep for a good 3 months. So it was pretty awful for a good long time. We're actually planning on moving because we're not too happy living here. It's not the most conducive for relaxation. It wasn't this way when we first moved here. So I like it to be a little bit quieter. It's hard to meditate and do yoga and stuff. And then with COVID, I haven't been able to go to my yoga studio or go out and do things like before, so I've been really just stuck in the apartment. So we're looking for a different place. But anyway, back to the cards. And the edging on these is really pretty too. I'll show you the edging and the backs of these when I'm done as well too. The edging matches the coloring of the cards really well. I can't wait to actually dive in and work with these cards. I like the use of the elemental symbols in this deck. That's a really pretty card. That's really pretty too. I like that a lot of the creators are being inclusive now with their subject matter. Inclusivity matters in the tarot world. Oh, that's beautiful too. This is a really beautiful deck. Look at that too. Wow, gorgeous. This is looking to be like a very inclusive deck, which makes me very happy. And again, this deck was just sent out from the Kickstarter. Almost to the last card. That's the last card right there. And I'm going to pick up the deck. Here so that you guys can see the backs. There's the back, and then you can see the gilding on the side. It's just very subtle, which I like. I don't like a real heavy gilding. It's kind of like a pretty rosy bronze color. It matches the coloring of the cards very nicely. It's a little bit of a bigger size deck. I don't really mind that. I like to use my cards on my altar. Okay, so that's it for a quick look at this Kickstarter. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, that's the AlcheMystical Tarot. Definitely give this artist a look-see. Bye, guys.